What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to prepare the tea for a weight loss supplement. But before, for anyone new here on my channel, I share methods, tips and ideas for skincare, hair, and health. So if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications to support us. The majority of fat-burning methods consist of 3 essential habits: a good diet, exercise, and a prepared natural drink that aids in calorie burning. It's how you can achieve excellent results in a short period of time. When it comes to losing weight and keeping it off, having these 3 behaviors is crucial. In our explore for a weight loss supplement, we discovered a fantastic natural cure with anti-inflammatory, detoxifying, and digestive characteristics that improve metabolism and help you lose weight. If you already have a diet and fitness plan in place, but aren't sure how to kick it up a notch, keep watching. Treatment that aids in the natural burning of fat. This fat-burning treatment makes use of cinnamon and bay leaf, which are known for their ability to reduce inflammation and help digestion. When both ingredients are combined to form a tea, we get a drink that helps us burn more calories, speed up our metabolism, and lose weight faster. What makes cinnamon so beneficial? This is one among the most widely used spices in the world. It is well known for its distinct aroma and mildly spicy flavor. Cinnamon possesses components that assist inhibit the process of fat buildup, especially in the abdominal region, and it has recently been revealed that frequent ingestion can help with weight loss. At the same time, cinnamon has been linked to a drop of up to 29% in blood sugar levels. This aids in the regulation of appetites, and as a result, the avoidance of overeating and snacking. Cinnamon stimulates the metabolism by causing a chemical reaction in the stomach. In addition to all of these advantages, cinnamon is beneficial since it prevents and aids in the management of diabetes. It is high in minerals and antioxidant components. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties. It aids in blood cholesterol control. It has a soothing effect. It aids in the reduction of inflammation. It soothes a variety of pains. Why is bay leaf beneficial? Cineol and eugenol are 2 active chemicals found in this plant, promote digestion and ease problems including acidity, gas, and abdominal pain. It also contains diuretic qualities, which help to drain fluids out of the body and enhance renal function. Bay leaf also has the power to accelerate the elimination of various agents that might harm our health, such as excess uric acid and heavy metals, which can lead to circulation issues, gout, and even liver disease. It also acts as a natural expectorant and has antibacterial, antiseptic, and anti-inflammatory qualities. Regularly drinking cinnamon and bay leaf tea can help the body eliminate toxins that it doesn't require, and that interfere with our metabolism's correct functioning. To prepare the tea, follow these steps. Ingredients: 1 liter mineral or filtered water, 10 bay leaves, 2 cinnamon sticks. Method of preparation. It's not difficult to make this tea. All you have to do now is bring the water to a boil with the cinnamon sticks and bay leaves. Once it comes to a boil, reduce the heat to low, and continue to cook for another 15 minutes. Remove it from the fire and set it aside to cool before sipping. Start with a cup first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. During the day, drink no more than 2 cups. It is possible to lose weight quickly by consuming it on a daily basis. The best part is that it will help you avoid being bloated, because of its powerful anti-inflammatory function, which lowers stomach irritation caused by a variety of circumstances. Warning: cinnamon has a chemical called coumarin, which can be toxic if ingested in large quantities. Therefore, this tea should not be taken more than the recommended dose. It's also not recommended during pregnancy, or for those who have digestive problems, such as ulcers and gastritis, or who are taking antibiotics. If you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and so you don't miss out on any future videos to come. Then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in some of the next videos.